Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing well and learned lesson number 5 properly. Today we will start chapter 6 Ria's journey. We all love to travel, isn't it? At the end of the lesson, you will be able to know about train journey, about different people work in the railway station and different items sold in railway station. Okay, let's start. Ria and her friend Jia were very excited. They were going together for a trip on a train to Vapi. Ria and Jia were best friends. Ria was going to her uncle's house and Jia was going to Daman with her family for a holiday. Children, where was Jia's family going for a holiday? Yes, Jia's family was going for a holiday to Daman. Yes, families decided to go together. Ria's father had booked the ticket for both the families before 15 days. Children, you know, on railways, we have to book our ticket prior. 2 days before the journey, Jia fell ill. Doctor told her to take rest and be at home. Jia's family had to cancel their tickets. Both friends were very sad as they had made many plans for the trip. Due to Jia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad. Yes, children, Jia and Ria became very sad because they had made many plans for the trip. Children, you know, on railways, if we cancel the ticket, we get the refund of money, not full amount. Both the friends were very sad because they were very excited to be together for the journey. Due to Jia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad. Jia has an idea. She told Ria to write everything that she sees in a diary and take photos and videos in her mobile. When she returns, Ria would read Ria's diary and see all the photos and videos to enjoy the trip. Children, whenever you visit a place, you should write a note about it. You note down the place you see, the feeling that you get, etc. Okay? Children, what did Jia tell Ria to do for remembering the journey? Yes, for remembering the journey, Jia told Ria to write all the details in a diary. Click photographs and record videos on her cell phone. Understood? Children, what would happen if Jia had traveled despite her illness? Any idea? If Jia traveled despite her illness, her condition would have become worse due to exertion of traveling. And Jia as well as everyone with her would have been troubled. She would have to get down on some big station and be admitted to a hospital. She may have had to leave the journey halfway and return home. So it is better to cancel the ticket, isn't it? Children, let's see Ria's diary. Yes, the date is written 28th May and the time is written as 20:55 means 8:55. Okay. After taking our dinner, we took an auto to reach Gandhidham railway station. After some time, the train arrived at the station. After waiting for some time at the station, the train arrived at the station. Okay. Some passengers were already sitting in the train. This is because the train had come from Bhuj. As the train stopped, there was a lot of commotion near the coach. Yes, very noisy disturbances. People were trying to get in and come out of the coach. Some were pushing others to get in and out. Yes, children, people were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. Father told, train will stop here for 15 to 20 minutes, so don't be in a hurry. Finally, all get into the train and set their luggage and get seats. Mother and I got two window seats. And father and Himaksh got the middle seats. There was another family with us. Yes, there was another family with us. They seemed to board the train from the previous station. They had two children of our age with them. They got two upper seats and two lower seats. Yes, finally, they all are settled down in the train. Children, this is the picture of train ticket. You can see PNR number and train number here. Did you hear the word PNR? Yes, PNR or passenger's name record. It is a unique 10-digit number mentioned on the train reservation ticket. This PNR number is issued as soon as you make a train booking on Indian Railway reservation system. You know, the PNR number provides complete travel details of the passengers along with the journey details. Okay, understood? Yes, after some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see if we were in our proper seats. Children, how will you recognize the ticket checker at the time of journey? You know, there is a ticket checker in every train to check the passengers' tickets. Yes, this ticket checker wears a black coat, white trousers, and a special kind of cap on its head. He asks each passenger for the ticket and checks it. He finds those whom he catches traveling without ticket. In this way, we can recognize the ticket checker from his uniform and a special badge given to him by the railway authorities. Yes, we can recognize the ticket checker from his uniform and special badge given to him by railway authorities. Children, do you know which details ticket checker checked in the ticket? Let's see. A ticket checker checks the date of the start of the journey, the train number, the names of the starting and the ending destination of the passenger, etc. If the ticket have been booked by passengers, then he checks the number of people traveling, their age, their seat numbers, etc. Children, let's see which facilities are provided in a train? Okay. Yes, many facilities have been provided by the railway authorities for passengers traveling in trains. There are common coaches as well as AC coaches in trains. In common bogies, there are berths for sitting, toilets, wash basins, fans, and shuttered windows. AC coaches have sleeping berths, sheets, and blankets for the night. The windows of AC coaches are made of glass and are airtight. In second and first class AC coaches, the seats are more comfortable. There are more facilities and it is less crowded. In common coach, one can travel standing if there is no seat available. Thus, there are various facilities in a train. Children, after 1 hour, the train stopped at one station. I saw it from the window. Sankhiyadi Junction was written on the station. I asked my father, why is the junction was written after the station name? Children, do you know the station at which two or more railway tracks are separating? It is called junction. On the track on which our train is running is the way to Ahmedabad and the other goes to Palanpur. Children, which railway stations are known as junctions? Do you know? Yes, railway stations from which two or more railway lines separate and go in different directions are known as junctions. Listen, railway station from which two or more railway lines separate and go in different directions are known as junctions. Understood? Children, where do two railway lines go which separate from Sankhiyali Junction? Two railway lines separate from Sankhiyali Junction. One of them comes towards Ahmedabad and the other one goes towards Palanpur. Our train left that station. I was observing the view outside the window. It is a small desert of Kutch and it is looking like white bedsheet because of white layer of salt on it. In these areas, acarias are harvesting salt by making salted. There we can also see very big heaps of salt. Children, do you know the Great Rann of Kutch is a salt marsh in the Thar Desert in the Kutch district of Gujarat. It is one of the largest salt desert in the world. In the monsoon months, Rann of Kutch is submerged in the seawater. As the water recedes from October, the acarias move into set up square fields to grow the field. Yes, children, in the monsoon months, Rann of Kutch is submerged in seawater. As the water recedes from October, the acarias move into set up square fields to grow the salt. Why is Rann of Kutch white? During monsoon, the region is covered in water and over winter, the water evaporates leaving a salty crust. Yes, listen carefully. During monsoon, the region is covered in water and over winter, the water evaporates leaving a salty crust. Children, listen carefully. Agarias, yes, salt farmers live under harsh conditions to produce India's salt. Ran of Kutch is the land of Agarias. Yes, Ran of Kutch is the land of Agarias. Yes, Agarias, salt farmers who have lived here for centuries. Agarias work in Kutch as salt farmers. In these areas, Agarias are harvesting salt by making saltern. There we can also see very big heaps of salt. Saltern is an area of installation for making salt. Understood? Children, here I am going to end the first part of the lesson 6. Okay, let's discuss some question answers. Okay. Why is the little Ran of Kutch known as the White Desert? Listen. Due to the layer of salt that has seen in the little Ran of Kutch in moonlight and even during the daytime, it looks like a white sheet spread all over. So, the little Ran of Kutch is known as White Desert. Yes, little Ran of Kutch is known as White Desert. Children, do you know which railway stations are known as junctions? Yes, railway stations from which two or more railway lines separate and go in different directions are known as junctions. Yes, railway station from which two or more railway lines separate and go in different directions are known as junctions. What seating arrangement did Ria's family get in the train? Tell me. Yes, Ria and her mother got a window seat each, and her brother Himaksh and father got the middle seats. Okay. And what did Jia tell Ria to do for remembering the journey? Yes, to write all the details in a diary and click photographs and record videos on her cell phone. Okay, children? Children, you should read lesson properly and try to find out the answers given in workbook. Okay? Take care. Bye.